Hello, I am a volunteer at the Twitton community. By the time you watch this video, you should already have some Twitton coins in hand. These coins have various values and uses. First, the coins can be used to claim advertising revenue. Twitton, as a Web3 content platform, relies heavily on advertising as one of its primary revenue streams. The Twitton team believes that the value of the project should be shared with users, as every user is considered an owner of the platform. Therefore, 50% of the advertising revenue will be distributed to users. To participate, all you need to do is use your coins to vote in the ad voting system. In the future, there will be more advertising slots, more advertisers, and the value of these ad spaces will increase. As a result, the share of advertising revenue that users receive will grow, and the value of the coins will also appreciate over time. Secondly, coins can be used to exchange for token airdrops from partner projects. Twitton is the go-to-market partner for all Web3 projects. Building on this foundation, Twitton is creating a rich ecosystem. It's well known that before a project's token generation event, there are often large-scale airdrop campaigns. Twitton will require partner projects to allocate high-value airdrop tokens specifically for users. Coins are the exclusive proof needed to claim these airdrops. They are the ultimate golden shovel. Additionally, coins serve as the claim voucher for Twitton's platform tokens. Twitton is bound to launch its own platform token. Following the principle that users are the owners of the platform, it's inevitable that coins will be used to claim these platform tokens. Do you think Twitton's platform token could reach 1000x in value during the next bull market? So, watch the video and join Twitton now. Let's build Twitton together.